Hey, hi all, this is Sumit. In this session, we learn about how to fetch the first working day of the current month. So let's navigate to the Tosca. Here I have created one folder called as date. Inside that folder, I am going to create one test case called as get first working day. And inside that test case, I am going to use one module called as tbox set buffer. Let me rename this step as for fetch first working day. And let me rename this buffer also as working day, and in the value column I'm going to give a syntax as open curly braces date open square braces open curly brace month last open square braces open curly brace date open square braces one set of square brace again, and inside that I'm going to give a value as -1 m, again one set of empty square brace open curly braces open close curly braces and close square braces open one set of empty square braces again one set of empty square braces close curly brace close square braces one set of square braces inside that plus 1 w, and again one set of empty square braces and close curly braces. And here I am going to just right click on it and select this translate value. It will gives me the first working day of the current month. If I am going to run this test case in the buffer, it will fetch the first working day of the current month. See, the test case is executed successfully, and if you see in the result, buffer with name working day has been set to value 3/12/2018, which is the first working day of the current month. So yeah, that's what about the first working day of the current month. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.